Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Yeah, it's Trappin Thursday. Yeah, hope everybody had a great time on Christmas. We back. It's Thursday, just like that. Uh, let's see what's going on. It's kind of flat this morning. It's kind of flat. 141.90, 138.19. We are headed on the uptrend. Headed on the uptrend. Let's go over here to the SPY. Okay, Tesla on the uptrend. Microsoft on the uptrend. Facebook headed to the downside. Amazon basically flat. AMD flat. Bitcoin headed back down. Looked at it last night. Well, we did. We touched that 100,000 and pulled all the way back down on Bitcoin. Let's see. Checking out Bitcoin. 90. We're at 95 right now. Bitcoin is starting to flatten it out inside of this channel. Bitcoin is flattening out right now. Good. Let's see. Apple. Apple trying to move on up. Apple, $259. Wow. Google. Okay, let's get back up here to where it matters. We got 5 minutes before the market open. Appreciate y'all for joining me. Appreciate you for joining me. I'm your host, Stock Sniper. It's Trappin Thursday. We back on. We back on the move, man. Hope y'all had a great Christmas, but it's back to business. Yeah, it's back to business. Okay. I'm just trying to get everything together before this market opens. I'm at to turn this to red. What happened? What happened? Yeah, I gotta turn this to red. Okay. That's upper resistance. There we go. Move that a little bit. Okay. We got 5 minutes before this market opens, and we ready to rock and roll. We ready to rock and roll. Let me drink a little bit of water. A little bit of water before we get this day started. Let's see. Everything's looking good. Appreciate you for hitting that like button. Appreciate you for hitting that like button. Okay. Before we get to the next one. Yeah, everything is looking good. Everything is looking good. 3 minutes left before the market is open. Let's see what this day gonna hold. Appreciate y'all for joining me. Appreciate you for joining me. Hope you're having a great morning. Hope you had a great Christmas. Now we're getting set for the new year. We've got less than a week. Let's see. January 1st is, if I'm not mistaken, next Monday, next Wednesday. Let me look. Yeah, January 1st is next Wednesday. Okay, we got about 2 minutes left. We got about 2 minutes left before this market open. Gosh, I forgot to charge up my phone, bro. I knew it was something I was forgetting. I knew it was something. That's all right. We're gonna make it do what it do. So, boom. Okay, we got 1 minute left before the market is open. 1 minute. Under 30 seconds. Money Monday. Trappin' Thursday. Let's go. Trappin' Thursday. Trappin' Thursday. Trappin' Thursday. 2, 1. Market is open. Huge. Market is open. 140. We coming up to resistance. We're on that 1 minute, 140.25 the high of the day. Oh my God. Still just watching. $140.34. Pull back on that big green candle. Now we got a big red candle. $139.81. So we get that pullback. Come on, come on. Man, why I keep doing that, bro? Here we go. $140.40. Dang. $140.40. Come on, push. $140.40. Dang, I went messed up. Go. Boom. Woo. 16%. Bro. Bull flag. 16% on that one. 16%. First 5 minutes of the market being open. I'm killing it, bro. I've been killing it lately. I've been killing it. I didn't even drink my water like I was supposed to. I've been killing it. I've been killing it. I caught that bounce play on that bull flag. I've been killing it for 16%. I've been killing it lately. 16% on that bull flag. I've been killing it. I've been killing it lately. Let's go. I've been killing it, Trappin Thursday. Wall Street, my block. Yeah, it is. I've been killing it. I've been killing it lately, man. I've been killing it. I'm jumping. Boy, I got a jump start on 2005. I'm telling you, 16%. I'm killing it. Yeah, I caught that whole bull flag. I spotted that bull flag and I jumped in and I rode it. Perfect timing off the bounce right here, off the 139.81, and I rode it all the way up. I'm killing it. I'm killing it. Yes, I am. I'm killing it. I'm killing it, bro. I'm killing it. 16%. I'm killing it. I'm killing it. One trade. I'm done. I'm done. First 5 minutes of the market being open. Oh, boy, I love this market. I just love it. I love it. I love it, man. Once you find something you love to do, and guess what? If you master it, ain't no holding you back. The haters can't hold you back. Can't nobody hold you back. Yeah. Once you find something you love to do and master it, bro, ain't no stopping you. Ain't no stopping you. Ain't no stopping you. As long as you put God first and you master what you love to do and thank God and help others, guess what? Ain't no stopping you. The haters can't stop you. You got to shake them haters off. Wall Street is my block as we head up to 149. Wall Street is my block. Yeah. Ain't no stopping. Put a new uptrend line. A new uptrend line. My day trading day is over. Dang. 16%. Just like that. My day is done. First 5 minutes of the market being open. Going on this uptrend. 140.61 on Nvda. Let's see what the SPY doing. SPY moving on up. Tesla down. Microsoft moving on up. Facebook down. Amazon moving on up. AMD moving on up. Bitcoin headed down. Hood moving sideways. Walmart, $99. I'm waiting for Walmart to hit the 88 level. Dollar General, $74. Flat. Apple, moving on up. Google, shout out to Google. Shout out to Google. Shout out to Google. Here we go. Shout out to Google. We are now partners. If you ain't noticed, I'm monetized now. They decided to monetize me. I'm monetized now. Shout out to Google. We are now business partners. We broke the uptrend line. Shout out to Google. We broke that uptrend line. One trade, 16%. First 5 minutes of the market being open. If you're just not joining the show, appreciate you joining me. Okay, we're below the, there we go. We're below the EMA. We're starting to get below the EMAs and the VY. What does that mean? It means we're headed down. Let's see if I'm right. What this next candle gonna show us? What the next candle gonna show us? Lower shadow. Lower shadow. lower shadow. The EMAs are on top of the candle. Another joke. Can we break down this 139 even? Get up under 140 on the downside for right now. But we battling. Let me erase this. There. Move this right here. Change that to green. Get this out of here. Change this to red because that is resistance. Move this a little bit lower, right there. That's resistance. Now we're looking a little bit more cleaner. Let me get this out of the way. Boom. What else? I need to move this line. It's irrelevant. Boom. Okay, we're a little bit more cleaner now, Stock Sniper. We're a little bit more cleaner. What I'm noticing, as I always talk about personalities of the company on the chart, the personality of the patterns, what I'm noticing is that Nvda personality is starting to change. It has changed a little bit. So, and how I think it has changed is that you have whenever I establish a trade or establish a certain pattern or certain personality on, I think how the patterns are the candles are going to go. It's taking a little bit longer. That's what I've noticed. It's taking a little bit longer for the play to develop. It's doing it again. It's taking a little bit longer to develop. We are above the EMAs, and I said 3 minutes ago that it looks like we headed down. It took a little while for it to develop. See, it did it again. It took it a while to develop, right? So it took a little bit long. Well, in my trade, the way I trade, it took a little bit longer to develop. Yeah, it took a little bit longer to develop. Like right now, see, it's taking a little bit while to do what it's gonna do. It's up under the EMAs, but it's just taking a little bit to develop. It's taking a little bit to develop. We're just waiting to see what it's gonna do. But I do think that I can start with this down. I do think I can start this downtrend. Yeah, I do think I can pop it like this. Yeah. See, we're gonna continue to follow this trend and head on down. That's what I want to see. Will we continue to head down? Will we continue to head down? Continue to head down. $140 even is support. We're starting to break the support. This is also support 139.82. We have to break 139.82 for a real move. 139.70. We have to break this area as well for a real move. So let's see how it's going to turn out. We are 15 minutes in on the market. We broke. See, 139.82. Can we break this next level? 139.71 as we bounced off of it. We're bouncing off of it. 139.71, 139.72. Should I make this a little bit more stiffer? Yes. Like that. I'm going to move this down to here. This is more relevant. As we keep following this downtrend on the way down, this is the next support right here. You can clearly see tail, tail. That's the support line. We're headed down. I think we're going to break this, though, for the next leg on down. Let's see how it plays out. Just got to have a little bit more patience when you're inside of a play. Have more confidence on your chart reading. Let's see. That is a double bounce. We're finna hit it again. Crack. There it is. To the downside. There we go. Keep going now. We need you to keep going. We need you to keep going down. Or we're gonna flush. We broke 139.72. What's the next candle gonna tell us? The next candle gonna let us know everything, y'all. And there it goes. Great play I called out. It took a while to develop, but once we broke this support, it was all she wrote. It just took a little bit to develop, a little bit more patience. That's why I was saying 10 minutes ago, the personality of Nvda is slightly changing. It's slightly changed. Now the next support is 139.20 area. 139, I'm gonna just leave it right there. That's the next support. 139.20 is the next support. 129.20. That's the next support line. As we coming up on that. Will we break that? Oh gosh. We broke it. We're testing it right now. 139.14. 139.12. 139.12. We're 21 minutes in on the market being open. Let me open it up a little bit. 5 minutes. Let me open it up a little bit. I'm gonna move this right here. Support. Now I'm gonna move it right about right there. Good support line right there. I'm gonna erase this. Yeah, I'm gonna keep it like that. Boy, that was a good pullback. And we still pulling back. We broke the support line. We still dumping. We still dumping. The whole market is red. The whole market is red today, y'all. Everybody's selling off. Look at all that red on the side. Everything is red today. Spire, Tesla is getting hammered. Microsoft, Meta, Amazon. What time is it? Almost 9 o'clock. AMD. Even Bitcoin is getting hammered. Everything's getting hammered. Wow. Everything is getting hammered today. $138.84. And there go another drop. Another drop. Wow. Bro, what a sell-off on Nvda. The stock sniper, you ain't gonna jump in and catch some of this? No. No. I'm already that will be chasing. I'm not gonna chase. I got 16% from the earlier of the market being open on this bull flag pattern right here that I'm pointing at right now. And that's all I need. Being being a smart trader, being a disciplined trader, and not being greedy. And that's been working out really, really, really well for me. Because guess what? Already I tripled my daily goal. My daily goal is 5%. My daily goal is 5%. I did 16%. So there's no reason for me to trade no more. There's no reason. We are 25 minutes into the market being open, 138.41. 138.41. After a 1% drop. After a 1% drop. Now, we look and get in position, take off that day trading hat, and look and see if we can get a wholesale on some of these companies. That's what I'm about to look at now. The overall SPY. Let's see. I need man. I missed my opportunity on Walmart. I missed it. When was this? I can't believe I missed that. Today is Thursday. Monday? Yeah, I missed it. I missed that. It hit my target. I was looking to get in on Walmart at $88 and it hit that. Dang, right before Christmas. What was I doing? I wasn't paying attention. Wow, I missed it. Well, no worries. Sometimes that happens. I missed my Walmart entry. Wow. Nvda, see AMD. AMD bounced off the 115. That was a good entry. I was able to pick up a few shares of extra shares of AMD at the 122 level. So a little bit of recovery on that, which is good. But I'm looking to get in on Walmart, man. At the 88, I missed it, bro. Hopefully they give me another chance to get in at under $90. I doubt it though, but I missed it. Microsoft, Google, Google, 185. Let me go and put a line on Google. Okay. Nvidia. Nvidia's bouncing off of the support, that bottom support bounce, 138.40 on the recover. Let me get rid of that. This is now resistance, so I got to change that to red. Old support holds up its new resistance. So it's old support, now it's a resistance line. Great bounce off the 138.40. We went from 140.85 to 138.41. Appreciate y'all for joining me on this day trading reaction. I am your host, the Stock Sniper. Appreciate you for joining me. We are coming up to the resistance. Look like we have a rejection of the resistance. Let me put up a trend line, see if we can keep it going. Let's see if we can keep it going. We are 30 minutes in. 30 minutes in. We're trying to get back on top of the EMAs. Which will be difficult. It will be difficult. As we see the rejection of the support line, which is the ceiling. That was a great resistance rejection. It was two moves so far today. This move to the upside, and then this huge move to the downside. Two huge moves. This one and this one. The start of the day, and then this move right here. $140.85. Let me see what's the high in pre-market. Okay. That is the high. Okay, that is the high of the day. All right. The thing is, can we make it back up there? That's the thing. It's gonna take time though, because this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's 10 minutes right there. Let's go to the 10-minute counter. 10 minutes. Another rejection of the support. I mean the resistance. Another rejection. You can clearly see another rejection of that resistance. Another rejection. $35 minutes in. We're retesting that resistance line again. We're retesting it for the fourth time. We're back up under the EMAs. Will we see another crack? Boom. And it's yes. Another crack. We're still inside of the channel. The green line, support, resistance, the top line, the ceiling, that's the floor. We're still inside of this floor. Can we get out of the first floor and advance to the second floor? We're still on the first floor. Support, which is the floor. Resistance, this is the ceiling of the first floor. We are inside of a channel. Let's see. Support, resistance. Support, resistance. Support, resistance. I think I'm going to erase this. Yes. Boom. Okay. The question is now, will we break this 138.41 for more downside? That's the question. Or will we double bounce? That's what we're about to see right now. Come on down, come on down, come on down. Now we're about to see, are we going to double bounce off this floor, or are we going to straight crack it? A new low of the day, 138.32. Just watching. No trades. Just watching. 138.28, 26. 138.26. 138.25. The stock market don't like odd numbers. The stock market don't like odd numbers when it comes to the high or the low. They changed it. 138.24. $40 in. Been live for 50 minutes, almost an hour. Almost an hour. All the EMAs are pointing down. The VWAP is slightly pointing down. We have broke the low of the day, made a new low of the day, and we are looking like more downside. The overall stock market is red. As you can see, it's nothing but red over here on the side. Everything's down. Big red day today. Let me see something else. I'm just trying to see where we headed next. As long as we stay below, up under this big trend line, we have more downside. As long as we stay below this line, we will continue to head down. More down. We can stay above below this big red line. We're gonna continue to head down. Let's see. Everything looks that way. Now we're gonna go down past this 138.24. I need to move this right here. Right there. There we go. That's one thing, man. This stock market is very, very predictable. It really is. The charts and the graphs don't lie. Boom. More downside. Big, big, big red candle. 137.95 to the downside. $137.95. Where's the next support line? I'm gonna move this. 138. That's the next support line. 138.72 area. There's the next support line. 137.72, 137.75, somewhere off up in there. This is the next support line. The stock market is very, very predictable, man. Very, very predictable. It's just like calling a play on the football field. You are when you read the defense and you say the defense is very predictable, the linebackers are weak, the safeties are weak. We're gonna run a tailback sweep right up the middle, or a slant right behind them linebackers. That's money every single time. That's exactly what this is. You got to know how to read the defense, man. That's all. That's all you need to know. Where's the weakness at in the defense? And to find that out, that comes by watching the opponents. You got to watch the film. You can't skip practice, right? Yeah, we're talking about practice. We're talking about practice. Yes, I'm talking about practice. You can't skip practice. You can't miss film room. You can't be all in the club when you're supposed to be watching the film, when you're supposed to be studying the film. You can't be all in the club. You can't be all out with your homeboys and your homegirls. You can't be tricking with the females. You're supposed to be film. You're supposed to be you're supposed to be watching the film. You're supposed to be practicing. You skip and practice. Go to the club. $132.72. We're looking for another drop right here below this support line. Let's see if it's gonna happen. We are down 1.65% on the day on Nvda. Everything's red today, all across the board, except Dollar General. Let's see, we're gonna break this. $137.73. We're playing with support. That 137.72. We're playing with the support. Well, man, Stock Sniper, how did you know that? I knew that because you look at the past. You look at the past. You study the past. That's like in real life. You study somebody's moves. You know what I'm saying? You study how they move, right? Meaning that you watch the film to see how they act from the past. That's how you indicate how they're gonna act right now, and that's how you indicate how they're gonna act in the future. Same thing. Reading the chart ain't no different than reading a person. Watching a person moves. Which is a great instinct to have. To be able to watch something, read it, comprehend to it, and then make a educated decision on what's next. It's a great skill to have. But see, this is not just on the stock market, it's in real life. These skills that is learned trading these stocks are also applied in real life. That's what I love about day trading. That's what I love about the stock market. Now we slowing down now. We might be bottoming out. We might be bottoming out. Because eventually we know we had all this red, right? Eventually we're going to turn around. All this red from basically a whole hour, one full hour of nothing but red. Eventually, it's going to turn around. Eventually, it's going to bottom out. We have been live an hour. Yeah, 1 hour. And as I see we slowing down and we're bottoming out, let's see what's gonna happen. Do we still have more pain? I'm gonna see if it's gonna break this 137.73 or if it's gonna break this downtrend. Break this downtrend line that I got going on right here and get back above the EMAs and turn this thing around. That's what I'm watching for right now. Are we gonna break below this 137.73, or are we gonna break above this downtrend line and go above this last EMA line and move on up somewhere off up in here? That's what I'm about to see now. See on this, I know you say, well, what you think, Stock Sniper? What you think it's gonna do? On this, I can't make a decision on that till I see the move over the EMAs or the break of the 137.73 to support line. So right now, I would just be watching. If I was looking to get into a position, I would have to wait. I would wait until we get over this downtrend and over this EMA, or get below this 173.73 for the next move on down. So we got the rejection of the uptrend line. We got that rejection. So I'm just watching to see where we headed next. Once we get above the 20 MA, we broke the downtrend now. Let's see what's gonna happen. This is resistance. Okay, now we're above. Now I will make the decision. Okay, we broke the downtrend. We broke the downtrend resistance. We broke the support, the resistance right here, and we're above all the EMAs. Now, guess what? It looks like we're going to head on up. It looks like we're going to head up now. That's my analysis right now. We broke all these, and we're moving on up. We broke the downtrend. We broke the 3 MAs. We're above the 20. The next candle that just formed is now showing green. Now we're looking for the move on up. And as you know, if you've been watching, once we are above the EMAs, a clear break, this candle be like a magnet to this VWAP right here. Then once we get over the VWAP, it's curtains. So let's see how we're going to play out. Just watch it. We'll get in away from the 20. We'll get away from the 20. I'm calling another play right in front of your face. Let's see if it's going to play out that way. Candles are starting to head up. This candle is going to be like a magnet to this VWAP right here. The entry was the bounce off the 20, off this next candle, which I'm doing a middle trade. I'm still in. Now we're trying to move a magnet up to this, close to this line. We needed to keep going. 138.55, 70, 158.56, 158.60. There we go. Stock market is it's predictable, bro. 61. Next candle, let's keep it going. 62, 63. If I was in right here, I would be closely watching right now. If I see any red, I would be out. No, we're still going. We still going. It's a magnet up to that VWAP. If I see any red, I will be out. I'm doing a mental play. This is mental. 73, 74, 69. Next counter's gonna let it be known. Will I exit the play or will I keep going? I'm waiting on the next counter. Remember, I got in at the break of the 13 EMA. The 20 EMA. I got in right here. This is a mental. I'm not really in. I see red, boom, I exit. Quick play. That's how it works. That's how I trade. But I know that we still got room to go up. But I wasn't finna risk it. That red come in, I'm out. Just like that. Get in on the bounce of the 20 EMA. I already see we're above all the EMAs. We're above this downtrend line. Okay, we're above the 20. Boom. Next, let's see what the next candle gonna do. Well, the next candle came out green. Boom. That's the entry. Right? The exit is when I see another tip of a red. And that's what happened. We had this green candle, we had this green candle, we had that green candle. And I say, okay, let's wait to see what the next candle gonna do. Well, the next candle that formed, I seen a little bit of red. Once I seen a little bit of red, sell, I'm out. And then I don't worry about what happens next. Even though I said earlier, once we break these EMAs, it's gonna be a magnet up to the 20, up to this VWAP right here. And that's what's happening. Okay, so I'm gonna stay on a few more minutes. I said I was gonna stay to either see the break of the 137.73 or the break of this downtrend line and the break of this support line right here. Resistance line right here on the move on the way up to a magnet towards this VWAP, and that's exactly what happened. That's exactly what happened. Yep, that's exactly what happened. So I'm gonna see now what this candle gonna do. Is it gonna turn green and go back up? Or what exactly is gonna happen? It's slow motion right now though. It's turning green. It has to get above 138.82, which it looks like it's finna do that now. 138.82. See, right now I'm in the film room, y'all. The game is already over. We won, but guess what? We studying for the next team. That's what I'm doing right now. The game was over in the first 5 minutes of the market being open. Now I take an hour, right? I take an hour to practice, to read charts, to see what's going on in this market. What's up next? That's what we do. It's a continued grind. It's a continued study. You practice more than you play. Right. You practice more than the actual game. That's the name of the game. You keep watching, you keep practicing, you keep paper trading, you keep mental trading, all that. Yeah. Now that we're gonna see what's gonna happen. Now we back up under look like we're going back up under the EMAs. Now this becomes support. That becomes light support. Move this up. Support. That's support as well. It is 9:32 in the morning. Market's been open 1 hour. Appreciate y'all for joining me, man. Appreciate y'all for watching me. Hope you learning something. A wealth of information is being shown here. Hope you learning something. Appreciate you for joining me. That was a good move, good bounce off that 137.73. That was a great bounce off of the downtrend break. And we are wishy-washy right now, trying to see if we're gonna move back up over 139.15, or we're gonna break the support and go all the way back down. That's what we're watching right now to see if that's gonna happen. But I think I'm gonna end the stream. It's 9:30. Appreciate y'all for joining me. Please hit the like button. Consider subscribing to the channel. You know what I'm saying? I appreciate y'all. I love every last one of y'all. I love and appreciate all my subscribers. Everybody that come over and watch. We love and we appreciate you over here. If you ain't noticed, they have monetized us now over here. That green button, that money sign with the square inside the square like money, we monetized over here now. They finally monetized the channel. So I thank everybody that support this channel. I thank everybody that's been rocking and rolling with me. Right? I appreciate every last one of y'all. And I can't say that enough. You know what I'm saying? As this channel grows, the next stop of this channel is 10K subscribers. It's 10K subscribers. You know what I'm saying? That's the next stop. So 704 Wall Street is my block. 704 Wall Street is my block. Earn, spend less than invest. That's what we talk about over here. That's what we talk about over here. As we move on up. So with that being said, this is the Stock Sniper. Y'all have a great day. Thank y'all. I'm out.